Hi, my students. We are going to study English grammar lesson number 4.1 more about determiners. So, the last two classes I had taken about determiners. In that class, I had taught you definite determiners and indefinite determiners. Now, you are thorough with which are the definite determiner and which are the indefinite determiner. So, the definite determiner is the and indefinite determiner is a and an. A and. Okay. Now, let's study some more determiners like some. S-O-M-E, some. This word has two main uses. The word some, we can use it in two ways. First one is, it is usually used in affirmative sentences. It is usually used with the affirmative sentences before plural nouns or before uncountable nouns when a certain quantity or number is meant. Example, the basket has some fruits in it. Some fruits. I had met him some years ago. David wants some water. So sometimes we use it before plural nouns or before uncountable nouns. Plural nouns and before uncountable nouns. Water, uncountable nouns. So he wants some water. So in this case we use some. In one more use of some is, some can also be used in questions. When an affirmative answer is expected, when a positive answer is expected. Can you get him some milk? Can you get him some milk? Will he live for some days more? And may I have some coffee? So in this case we are using some. So some has got two uses. Some is also a determiner. Now the second one is any. The word any. The word any has two uses. It is also used in two ways. First one, any is used in negative sentences. Negative. I haven't any money left. I haven't. I have no money. I haven't any money left. He does not bring any books to class. It is used in negative sense. Now, any is used in interrogative sentences when the answer is expected is to be in the negative. Example, do you want anything else? Do you want anything else? Do I have to wait any longer? Do I have to wait any longer? Then haven't you got any idea yet? So, in these two ways we are using any. First is, it is used in negative sense. And second is, it is used with the interrogative sentences when a negative answer is expected. Okay. Now third one is much and many. Much, many. Many refers to number, so it is used with the countables. Much refers to quantity or amount, and so it is used with the uncountable. Many is used with the countable number, and much is used with the uncountable number. For example, many books lay on the table. That means we can count how many books are there lying on the table. Then many lives are wasted this way. Many lives. Then much has been written on the subject. Much has been. We do not know how much they have written about the subject. Then fourth one is each and every. Each and every. These are very important because sometimes we get confused where to use some, where to use any, where to use much and many, where to use each and every. Each. Each is used when we refer to one of the two or more persons or things. One of the two. One of the two or many persons or things. It points to the individuals of the group and is used when the number is very small and definite. So each is used in this case when the number is few, small and definite, we are sure. It is used when we refer one of the two or more persons or things. For example, there are 5 rooms in each house. 5 rooms in each house. Each line had 10 trees. Then give them 5 rupees each. Each. It's clear to you? Now, every means each without exception. It is used for one of a group of more than 2. One of a group of more than 2, it is not used with a small number, but when the number is indefinite, it is more forceful. So in this regard, we use every, each, every. Every boy must take part in sport. Every boy must take part in sports. Every child was promoted. Number is more. Every child was promoted. It is believed that every man has some good qualities. So it is spoke for a group of people. Then both each and every take a singular verb. We have to think. The verb will be singular. Each and every take a singular verb. Okay. Then for example, it's given are, verb had, then it is given in singular form. Then the fifth point is few, a few, the few. Few, a few, the few. Few. These words are used with countable nouns. Few means hardly any, almost nothing, few. It has a negative meaning, few. A few means some. A few means some. It has a positive meaning. The few means not many, but all those are there are. So the few, a few, the few, a few, the few. Okay. Few women can keep a secret. Few women can keep a secret. Few men live to be 100 years old. Then few children do not like to watch TV. There are a few good boys in the class. There are a few good boys in the class. Then I saw a few roses in the garden. The few mangoes left in the basket were rotten. So this is the way we have to use few, a few, the few. Few means little. Okay, less in number. Now the last one, little, a little, the little. Little, a little, the little. Little. These are also used with the uncountables. So few, a few, the few, that is used with the countables. Little, a little, the little, it is used with the uncountables. Little means almost nothing. A little means some, and the little means not much. There is little water in the jug. There is little water in the jug. He has a little knowledge about music. Then the little grain left in the bag was eaten by rats. So these are some more determiners we have added, like some, any, much and many, each and every, few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little. Now you got a exercise here. Fill in the blanks with a suitable word from the box given below. You have got box here. 20 words are given here. You have to use it using the word. Wait, dash, and your chance will come. Wait a little and your chance will come. Wait a little, okay. Like this you have to use this exercise. It's a simple exercise, so you can do it by yourself. There are 20 sentences, but there are 12 words here. Some words will repeat it in many sentences. So please do exercise in your book, page number 20. And here we have completed the syllabus of quarterly examination. Now it's your turn to study. So I'm here stopping my class. Please do all the exercises in the book and learn it. Thank you, dear children. Thank you. Bye-bye.